1 CR Series EMU Training Vehicle, 1 CRH Series EMU Training Vehicle, 1 C70 Open-Top Training Wagon, 125 Improved Rolling Stock Training Vehicle. All training areas are intelligently configured. The base enables new employees to learn professional knowledge in an immersive environment, and experienced employees to improve their skills in a safe and efficient way. To promote railway development and meet labor demands of transport and production, a modern employee academy for the railway system, China Railway Xi'an Group Company, Limited Education Training Base is flourishing. To build a high-quality training base, work on the training base was started on March 1, 2022. The training base was put into use on June 30th and covers an area of 69,653 square meters. It is a comprehensive modern training base that combines practical training with intelligent simulation, and is used to build a strong and competent team for CR Xi'an. To support the development of employees of CR Xi'an, Jiean Hi-tech provides comprehensive training solutions to multiple sectors, including passenger transport, vehicle, engineering, and transport. Contributing to the sector-based, multi-dimensional training architecture of CR Xi'an Training Base. For the vehicle sector, Jiean Hi-tech built the Train Comprehensive Training Area, CR300BF EMU Maintenance Training Area, CR200J EMU Maintenance Training Area, Vehicle Comprehensive Maintenance Training Area and 5T Maintenance Training Room, supporting pre-job training and on-the-job training for ground mechanic, onboard mechanic, repairer and other positions, as well as skills appraisal and skills competitions. The Train Comprehensive Training Area, by making use of simulation systems, multidimensional view of components, sound, light and video effects, achieves renovation of real vehicle body. The training mode of lectures, virtual simulation, real environment, position site promotes integrity of theory and practice and transition from cramming to situation reproduction, and allows employees to practice repeatedly in real situations, and learn and practice according to standards, further enhancing vocational skills training effects. In addition to training, Jiean Hi-tech provides physical equipment in each maintenance area, so that the trainees can directly experience physical operation, learn about operation procedures and principles, and accept training in equipment repair, emergency response, and other programs. For the passenger transport sector, Jiean Hi-tech provides railway passenger transport comprehensive training solutions consisting of Train Passenger Transport Comprehensive Training Area, Station Passenger Transport Comprehensive Training Area, Passenger Transport Physique Etiquette and Makeup Etiquette Training Room, making training transition from theory to practice. The Train Passenger Transport Comprehensive Training Area and the Station Passenger Transport Training Area, through reproduction of the real passenger transport operating environment, simulate the whole process of station entrance and exit, and through reproduction of emergency situations, test the crew's capabilities of practical operation and emergency response. The Passenger Transport Physique Etiquette and Makeup Etiquette Training Room supports training in etiquette, fire protection, cardiopulmonary resuscitation and defibrillation, fully improving crew's abilities to address emergencies and enhancing personal competence. For the engineering sector, Jiean Hi-tech built the Rail Vehicle Driving Simulation Training Room, Vehicle Brake System Training Room, GYK Rail Vehicle Running Control Comprehensive Training Room and Large Track Maintenance Machinery Training Room. For driver, assistant driver, dispatcher and operator, the training rooms are equipped with common tools, vehicle simulators, safety drill equipment, satisfying their needs for equipment understanding and use, standardized operation, emergency response and other aspects of skill training. For the transport sector, Jiean Hi-tech built a shunting training area with an area of 183 square meters. It uses all-round 16K resolution scenes to show the environment at the front, side and rear of the operators with a scale of 1:1, helping yardmaster and shunter to quickly get involved in their roles, and completing one-stop intelligent assessment of standardized shunting, speed and distance observation, hand signals and auditory signals. By changing classroom training to site training, the training base improves training efficiency. In the future, Xi'an Training Base will continue to explore ways for the promotion of high-quality development of railway personnel in the new era. On the basis of practical training, Xi'an Training Base aims to build a team that dares to show their strengths and shoulder responsibilities.